At the master inventory screen, we have our two newly defined items, the handgun standard issue and the patrol jacket standard issue. Note that we are reporting that we have none of these inventory items issued, in stock, or on order. Because we are setting up Quartermaster for an already existing inventory, we do have to make some adjustments. We're going to start by adding our already existing handguns that we have in our Quartermaster stores to the Quartermaster program. That can be accomplished in the In-Stock screen. We have a couple of handguns that we need to enter into our Quartermaster program. Quartermaster currently is reporting 0 handguns in stock as our table is empty and our total in-stock value is 0. To add the first handgun, we use the Quick Add button. Handguns are being tracked by serial numbers, so all we have to do is enter the correct number and save our first record. We have one more item to enter, so the process is repeated. Note that our specific handguns now appear on our table, and furthermore that with these two items we have a total in-stock value of $600. We also have some patrol jackets in our warehouse, so next we'll deal with those items. Now we have to adjust our totals for the patrol jackets. We have 10 items for each of the 4 different sizes. Use the Quick Add button to bring up our entry screen. This time we are not using serial numbers, so we only need to enter the total. For the size large, we will enter a quantity of 10 and click on the Save button. Our detail record now appears with the size, price, and total. Let's repeat the process for the next size. For the size medium, we enter a quantity of 10 and save that amount. The second detail record appears and the total in-stock value is displayed. I'll finish the 2 remaining sizes in the same manner, just a little bit faster. We now have 40 patrol jackets of various sizes and prices that are in stock, so we are now in a position to issue these items to our officers. Let's go over to our members screen. We're going to issue a couple of size medium patrol jackets to Officer Bailey. He currently has no items in his kit as indicated by the empty table and the total value of his kit set at 0. Before we proceed with the issue, however, let's take a look at our master inventory screen. Notice that for handguns we have 2 items in stock and 0 issued. The next master inventory item is our patrol jackets. We have 40 in stock and 0 issued. Back to Officer Bailey's screen. To issue him with a patrol jacket, use the Add button. Our issue screen appears. The currently highlighted master inventory record is patrol jacket standard issue, and the detail item is size medium. We have 10 mediums in stock, and we are going to issue 2 of them. We simply fill in the quantity. Now we can identify the type of transaction by choosing that it is a new issue from the drop-down list, and now we can save the transaction. Officer Bailey's kit shows the 2 medium-sized patrol jackets and the total value of his kit is displayed. We can now go over to the master inventory screen and note that we now have 2 patrol jackets issued and 38 in stock. For our next transaction, we're going to issue Officer Bailey with a handgun. Officer Bailey's kit consists of 2 medium-sized patrol jackets standard issue. We are now going to issue him with a handgun standard issue. Start the process by using the Add button. We will find the handguns on our upper table. The detail table for handguns show 2 currently in stock, each with their respective serial numbers. We will pick one of them from the table for Officer Bailey. We don't set the quantity this time, just pick an issue code from the drop-down list to define the type of transaction. To complete this transaction, to issue Officer Bailey with the handgun with the specific serial number, use the Save button. Officer Bailey now has the handgun with serial number D99-6600 in his kit. The total value of his kit has been adjusted. Over on the master inventory screen, we see that one handgun is in stock and one is issued. Next, let's have Officer Bailey return a patrol jacket back to us so we can place it back into stock. Over on Officer Bailey's screen, to dispose of one of his patrol jackets, the first thing we do is find the item on his detail screen. We can then use the Dispose button to bring up the entry screen. Our quantity is set to 1 as we're going to dispose of 1 patrol jacket. From our disposal code drop-down list, we'll choose the Return to Stock option. If we had chosen the Consumed option, the patrol jacket would be removed from Officer Bailey's kit but not placed back into stock. To complete the transaction, use the Save button. Officer Bailey's kit is adjusted to show that he currently has only 1 patrol jacket instead of the previous 2. His total kit value has also been adjusted. The master inventory screen now indicates that we have 39 patrol jackets in stock and 1 issued. That's all there is to removing an item from someone's kit. The next portion of our tour